BMX People 220 here. This is my bicycle check, 2013. So, you guys seen my new edits with my bike, and I just realized that I haven't made a 2013 bicycle check, and so here it is. Starting off with the top, we got Odyssey Barnes. I know it's not Barnes, but I have a habit saying Barnes. Barnes, really good. Had them for a year on both sides. And then we got To The Grips. We got Odyssey Chase Hawk grips. I like them. They're thick, pretty squishy for me, and they're good. They just wear down kind of pretty fast because I go ham. So, going to the handlebars, we got S&M Hooter bars. They're 8.5 inch high by 27 wide. And then going to the stem, we got a Sunday Freeze top load stem in black. Really good. Right when I put it on, got all situated. Really tight. Haven't came loose or anything. And then going to the headset, we got a Can Creek headset. Lasted me for like 5 or 6 years. Barron's haven't went bad, so good quality and Can Creek headsets. And then going to the fork, we got a Black Label stock fork from 2010 or 11. Lasted me a long time. And then moving on to the wheels, we got Fit FEF Night Vision tires with a Black Label full wheel with gold nipples. Nipples. And then we got 4 Black Label pegs, bench pegs. They're really nice. On my right side, on my bike, had these for like 3 years. And on the left side, almost about to be a year. And then we got the main only Miracle Lexstar frame, 2013. You saw in my 2012 video bike check with my Perfect 10s. Still going good. Had it for a year. Hasn't cracked or anything. And then moving on to the seat and seat post. We got a Shadow seat with white coloring for the Shadow logo. And then we got a chrome Shadow seat post. The logo messed up. We got Black Label crank arms in black. About a year old. Bent a little bit there and on this side from grinding. And then we got Colt pedals. Really good. Not a year, about like 3 or 4 months. Still going good. Loving them. And then we got the Black Label 30 tooth sprocket. Haven't bent it. Had it for not a year. About 8 or 9 months. And then we got this KMC chain. I don't remember which one, but it's like the heavy duty chain that looks like a half-link chain, but it's just regular chain. And then moving on to, oh yeah, the bottom bracket's just a stock bottom bracket. Had it forever. And then we got same wheel setup. Fit FEF night vision tires. Oh yeah, I forgot the size. 2.25 holds 110 psi. And then Black Label wheel in my, what was it? In my 2012 bike check, I had a smaller sprocket, switched it up to 30-10 gear ratio, so goes pretty faster. And then what I said about the 4 pegs, this lasted me a long time. And my valve caps are the 8-ball valve caps, as you can see right there. 8-ball valve caps. And then oh yeah, these gold bolts here, these are Shadow hollow bolts. And later on, or pretty soon, I'm gonna make a Christmas edit for all you guys. It's gonna be a biking one, scooter one, all combined. This is gonna be pretty new, and so see you guys later next time. BMX People 220. Have a nice Christmas.